Hello and welcome. This is Abu Kalam. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to exactly create a website using a free method. So if you are a beginner, please keep watch full video. Don't skip any second because every second are very important. At first, I'm going to hocus.com. It's absolutely free. This link I will attach in description below. Then click here. This is a home page. You need to log in here. This is absolutely free. So at first, I'm going to online store, online offer service, courses, a blog. Now select which type of website do you need right now. Example of I need a online store. Just click here. Then select a specific category. Example of is a cosmetic store, then makeup store, then clothing, men's shoes, pet clothing, and nightwear store, and etc. So I select kid show store. Then continue, just click here. It's super easy. So if you don't know anything, don't worry, this is a simple work. Please keep watching full video. Then select which type of service do you provide. Example of a free shipping, a reward program. Then I select you need to select a 3. I select number 1, 2 and 3. Money back guarantee. This is attractive for a customer. Money back guarantee. Every people like money back guarantee. If people want to this which product he buy and this is the original or not original. Now select which type of website. Example of a blog website, sell product, get booking. So I select sell product because I want to select I want to sell some product by using this website. If you have a physical address, then select number 1. Then if you have a service area, select number 2. And then online business only. If you have an online business, just select number 3. So I don't have an online physical store, then I select number 3 option. Now select your brand and or blog name. Example of I select Halka Story. You can choose any name, this doesn't matter. Then continue. Now I select a friendly service. Then this is the default, this is good. Then continue. How you like your website visitor to contact you? Actually I choose a website contact from. Then continue. Wow, my website are ready. Wait few seconds because this is the progress time. You can see this is my website. Then every line and photo are customizable. You can change anything here are option. Example of you don't like this one, just click second style, scroll down, just scroll down. Then number 3 style. Wow, number 3 is more attractive for number 1 and 2. So I select number 3 option, third style. Then select your brand color. Example of this is a number 1 and number 2 option. Just click here. I recommend you you can choose a specific brand color and a specific website. Just scroll down and when you create and you see this is the option, just click by click and you choose one. Then create my website, just click here. Then you can see the magic of power for AI. Wow, you can see my website ready for view. Then you can you are able to customizable any text, any image. Then scroll down. Then if I change this picture, just click here. Then import your any image from your desktop. This doesn't matter. So I click view website. If you have a personal domain, just put your website here. This is super easy. Just use custom domain. Just click here. Then if you have a domain, just write this domain. Then this is a paid version actually. So if you don't have a domain, just click. This is the default. So this website provide you a specific domain address. You can see my domain address is johne4964@hocus.com. So this is a really beautiful. So if you want to more video about this type of example of chatgpt, then AI and make money online, then please subscribe my channel and keep watch others video. Thank you. See you again.